So, you've decided to brave the wilds of Iceland, eh? A land of fire and ice, where glaciers carve their way through volcanic plains and the northern lights dance across the night sky. In this video, we're going to arm you with everything you need to know before setting foot on this incredible island. We'll cover everything from what to pack and how to avoid emptying your coin purse to the wonders you can expect to see. This is what first-time visitors to Iceland need to know. Iceland, land of unpredictable weather. A place where the elements can change in the blink of an eye. 1 minute you can be basking in the sun's warmth, feeling the gentle rays on your skin, the next battling a blizzard that'd make a stark shiver. The weather here is nothing if not dramatic. The key to surviving this fickle mistress is layers, my friends. Layers are your best defense. Start with a breathable base layer, something that wicks away moisture and keeps you dry. Add some fleece or wool for warmth, ensuring you stay cozy even when the temperature drops, and top it off with a sturdy waterproof and windproof outer shell. This will shield you from the harshest elements. Trust me, you'll be thanking me when the wind is howling off the glaciers, cutting through the air like a knife. And don't forget a good pair of hiking boots. They are essential for navigating the rugged terrain. Gloves, hats, scarves, pack them all. These accessories can make a world of difference. It's better to have them and not need them than to be caught off guard in the icy grip of an Icelandic squall. The land of fire and ice demands respect, and preparation is key to enjoying its wild beauty. So gear up and embrace the adventure. Now, let's talk about the coin. The Icelandic Krona is not just a means of transaction, but a symbol of national pride and identity. Iceland's currency is the Icelandic Krona, a proud name for a proud people. The Krona has a rich history and is deeply embedded in the culture of Iceland. You can exchange your currency at the airport or banks, which are conveniently located in major cities and towns. But a word to the wise, credit cards are widely accepted here, even for the smallest purchases. This makes it easy for travelers to navigate without carrying too much cash. Tipping isn't mandatory in Iceland, but it is appreciated for good service. If you feel the service was exceptional, a small tip will be warmly received. And let's talk about the language. The Icelandic language is a fascinating aspect of the country's heritage. Icelandic, the language of the sagas, is as old as the volcanoes themselves. It has remained relatively unchanged for centuries. While it can be a mouthful to pronounce, don't fret. The locals are very understanding and patient with visitors. English is widely spoken, so you'll have no trouble finding your way around. Most Icelanders are fluent in English and are happy to assist. Learning a few basic Icelandic phrases will earn you smiles, and perhaps even a tale or two from the locals. It's a great way to connect and show respect for their culture. Greetings like Góðan daginn, good day, or Takk fyrir, thank you, can open doors and forge connections. Don't hesitate to engage with the locals. They are proud of their heritage and eager to share stories of their land and culture. Embrace the opportunity to bridge language barriers and connect with the heart of Iceland. Now, traversing this rugged landscape is an adventure in itself. The vast, untamed beauty of Iceland is both a challenge and a reward for those who dare to explore it. While driving offers freedom, be warned, the weather can turn treacherous, especially in the winter months. Snowstorms can appear out of nowhere, and icy roads can be perilous. If you must venture out on those icy roads, ensure your vehicle is equipped for battle. Think four-wheel drive and winter tires. Proper preparation can make all the difference in ensuring a safe journey. For those less inclined to brave the elements behind the wheel, fear not. There are other ways to experience Iceland's stunning vistas without the stress of driving in harsh conditions. Iceland offers a reliable network of domestic flights and buses. These options provide a convenient and often more relaxing way to travel between the country's many breathtaking destinations. While public transport might be limited outside of Reykjavik, it's a reliable and scenic way to experience the country's raw beauty. The bus routes often take you through some of the most picturesque landscapes imaginable. And for those who want to truly immerse themselves in the landscape, consider renting a camper van. This option allows you to set your own pace and wake up to the stunning natural wonders right outside your door. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over a glacier or falling asleep to the dancing northern lights. A true taste of freedom. It's an experience that brings you closer to nature in a way few other travel options can. Be prepared for the unexpected and always prioritize safety. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable, so it's crucial to stay informed and ready for any changes. The day is done, and even the bravest warrior needs rest. Iceland offers a range of lodgings from cozy guest houses to luxurious hotels, but a word to the wise book in advance, especially during the peak season. For those seeking a more immersive experience, consider a stay in a traditional Icelandic guest house, or perhaps a night under the stars is more to your liking. Camping is a popular option, with campsites scattered across the country. No matter your choice, make sure your lodgings offer respite from the elements and a chance to recharge for the adventures that await. Iceland's beauty is a powerful force, a raw and untamed wilderness that will leave you humbled. But remember, with great beauty comes great responsibility. Stay on marked paths, for venturing off-trail can damage the delicate flora and disturb the natural habitat. And be wary of geothermal areas. Those steaming vents and bubbling mud pools might be tempting to touch. But remember, fire is a fickle mistress. Pack out what you pack in, for litter has no place in this pristine landscape. Let us preserve this beauty for generations to come, ensuring that Iceland's magic continues to enchant all who wander here. Now, even the most seasoned adventurer must be prepared for the unexpected. Rest assured, the healthcare system here is excellent should you require medical attention. And a word to the weary traveller. The tap water in Iceland is some of the purest in the world, so drink freely from the streams and rivers. Pack a basic first aid kit for minor ailments, and be mindful of the weather. By taking precautions and being aware of your surroundings, you can enjoy all that Iceland has to offer with peace of mind. Just as a wise warrior knows the customs of a foreign land, so too should you familiarize yourself with Icelandic etiquette. Punctuality is paramount here, so arrive on time for appointments and gatherings. And be prepared to remove your shoes when entering homes, a sign of respect for the home and its occupants. Embrace the local customs, for it's in these small gestures that we show respect for the people and their way of life. Now let's talk plainly about the cost of adventure. Iceland, while breathtaking, can also be expensive. The cost of living here is high, so be prepared to open your purse strings a bit wider than usual. Self-catering is a great way to save money, and luckily Icelandic supermarkets are well stocked with delicious local produce. Look for accommodation options that offer kitchen facilities, and pack yourself a picnic to enjoy amidst the stunning scenery. In this land of extremes, even the sun marches to its own beat. In the summer months, Iceland experiences the magical phenomenon of the midnight sun, endless days where the sun barely dips below the horizon. But as winter descends, so too does the darkness, with only a few precious hours of daylight. If you're chasing the northern lights, those elusive celestial dancers, winter is your time to shine. Embrace the ebb and flow of light and darkness, for it's all part of the magic that is Iceland. Iceland's wonders extend beyond its landscapes. Keep your eyes peeled for the creatures that call this land home. Puffins, those adorable birds with clown-like beaks, can be spotted nesting on coastal cliffs during the summer months. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of whales breaching the surface of the ocean. Whale-watching tours are a popular activity, offering a chance to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Let us be mindful guests in their home, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at Iceland's biodiversity. The Northern Lights, a celestial ballet of colour and light, are a sight that will stay with you long after you've left Iceland's shores. But catching a glimpse of this elusive phenomenon requires patience, a bit of luck, and most importantly, dark skies. The winter months from September to April offer the best chance of witnessing this ethereal display. Head away from city lights, find a spot with clear skies, and be prepared to wait. The Northern Lights are a fickle mistress, appearing when you least expect them and vanishing just as quickly. But when they do grace the sky with their presence, it's a moment you'll never forget. In this digital age, even adventurers want to stay connected. Fear not, for Iceland is a wired nation, with free Wi-Fi readily available in most hotels, cafes and public spaces. If you're planning on venturing further afield, consider getting a local SIM card for your phone. This will give you the freedom to upload those stunning landscape shots to Instagram without worrying about data roaming charges. Whether you choose to stay connected or unplug from the digital world, Iceland offers options for all types of travellers. There you have it, my friends. The essential knowledge you need to embark on your Icelandic adventure. Remember to pack your sense of adventure, respect for the land and its people, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected. Now go forth and write your own Icelandic saga, filled with breathtaking landscapes, unforgettable encounters, and memories that will last a lifetime.